Is freelance writing dead? Hey everybody, Sinister Lex here, and today we're answering the question, is freelance writing dead? Before we get into that, remember to rate, comment, subscribe, click that get notification bell if you want my notifications. Is freelance writing dead? It's a good question. A lot of you are thinking about freelancing all of a sudden. You know, I post a video, what is freelancing? Lots of people start coming to the channel and wondering what is this thing or how can we get into it and where do I start? What are the good skills? I talk a lot about different skills. Freelance writing is probably the most common freelance skill. It's just what a lot of people get into. Don't ask me why. I don't know why, because writing is not the easiest thing. There's way easier stuff. Like learning WordPress. You can learn WordPress in about a week and be selling $5,000 to $10,000 websites, whereas writing is like, this is a craft. This is a craft you learn over a large period of time. You don't get good at writing overnight. Nobody does. I got pretty good, but it took me some time. And yeah, is it dead though? That's going to be a question a lot of people ask because they come to the freelance writing platforms. If you Google anything about freelance writing on Google, the platform I just stated, you're going to see all this stuff. One, telling you not to work on Upwork because there's no good writing gigs there. And two, telling you that content marketing is dead. And three, telling you that you can't make money with writing in 2018, blah, 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 blah. But here's the simple fact is freelance writing is not dead in any way, shape, or form. But you have to be willing to learn the craft. You're going to have to be willing to get into it. You can't just come at this with your crap grammar and no knowledge of storytelling and stuff and think that you're going to be an awesome freelance writer and make a lot of money. You're not going to be a copywriter. You're not going to be an awesome blog writer. You're not going to be an awesome social media writer, ebook writer, or anything writer. There is going to be a learning curve. So freelance writing is definitely not dead. You can make a lot of money with it, but you're going to have to learn the trade, and that takes some time. And that's where people are getting stuck, because when people say freelance writing is dead, they are the kind of people who are jumping into this, getting into it for about 3 days, and they're like, holy crap, nobody's hiring me, nobody's giving me no writing jobs. It's dead, and the market's saturated. It's not dead. It's not dead. If it was, I wouldn't be doing it full time. I wouldn't be making money with it every single day. So freelance writing is not dead. There's a lot of different avenues you can go down with it. You can be an ebook writer, you can be a grant writer, you can be a copywriter, you can be a blog writer, you can be a social media writer, you can be a sales page writer. These are all different things you can do as writers. You can write people's resumes, you can write people's menus, you can write people's school essays. Just about anything that you can think of to write can be written for money on freelance platforms. This isn't to talk about freelance platforms, it's just to say that freelance writing is not dead. But again, you need to know what kind of writing is going to make you money, or at least a lot of money, the most money, whatever, whatever. It really depends on your goals with the outlet. So let's say you want to make a lot of money, like a whole lot of money. You probably don't want to be someone who is writing essays for people in college. You might make a lot of money that way if you can scale it, but I don't think you're going to find that many people who are coming and hiring people to write their essays. To make big money, you need to be working with businesses. You need to be solving business problems. So copywriting, blog writing, those can really make you lots of cash if you're smart about it and if you're a good writer. And that's the whole thing. You have to be a good writer, because if you can't write well, you can't sell well. And if you can't sell well, they're not going to make any money from your writing, and therefore it's a waste of their time. So they're not going to keep paying you for that. But bottom line is freelance writing is definitely 100% not dead in 2018. It is a great path if you get into it, if you stick with it. There are other faster paths that can generate cash sometimes, but those paths come with their own pitfalls, and maybe we'll talk about those another time. This is all I've got for now. Thank you so much for watching. Stick around. I'm Sinister Lex, and I'll see you next time.